Hello, my name is Mmamokotsi Tau. I'm 22 years old. I'm doing acting. I'm doing acting because it's my passion, it's my dream, and and I have a talent. So the actress that really motivates me is Angelina Jolie. So please vote for me. I want to go to Hollywood and make my dream come true. Thank you. What are you doing in my room? Okay, I'm good. What? You want to talk? Okay, talk. You left me here when I was 2 months old. You ran away. Thank God my grandmother was there to take care of me. Now you want me to talk and laugh with me. You're like a stranger to me. Understand. You want me to understand that you left me here. You ran away when I was 2 months old. Is that what you want me to understand? You don't have no idea what I went through. Growing up without my mom. Well, you know, you're out there. You know, my grandmother showed me your photos, and every day when I wake up, I expected to see you, I expected to see someone, I don't know, like, but you didn't come. You didn't show up. And now, oh, don't say that. You love me. You can show by your actions if you love someone. Even if you're not saying it. I'll be lying if I could say my mother loved me. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes, I am angry with you. I am so mad at you. And this last weekend you came, you're trying to lecture me how to live my life. Huh? You were not there when I needed you the most. The time I needed you. You were not there, and now you want to teach me how to live my life? No. I mean, right now, I've grown up. I can take care of myself. I mean, you can see. You know what? I am so tired of your stories. On my ears every day. I am tired. And let me tell you something. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I am going to tell you this. I don't need you in my life. You and the bastard you called my dad. And I don't know why I'm calling you mom, because you don't deserve to be called that. Huh? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want to live my life. Because you were not there the time I grew up. So you can't tell me what to do, or what to wear, how to walk. You can't. So just let me be. Because my grandmother is the one, she's the one who showed me, who taught me everything. She loved me. She took care of me. Where you ran away. Huh? What kind of mother are you? Huh? You are so responsible. And you know what? I'm not going to be like you. Because I'm going to take care of my children. And my kids, they're going to take care of their children again. I'm going to teach them. We're not going to be like you. So pathetic. Go away from me. Go and leave me alone. I want to live my life. I want to be happy. Okay? I want to enjoy my life. With you around, no way. I will not enjoy my life. Just leave me alone. Okay? Go wherever you wear. Because I don't care about you. Whatever you do, I don't care about you no more. Okay? Go whatever you wear. And I just want to enjoy my life. Thank you.